will come. It hasn't reached there. Let it be on it, it will come.
What if we are on top? What type you play?
Yeah. When you leave them, he will do it himself. Yes, it will be fine. We start from that side. But okay, but it will come. You leave it, press it. Because air spaces, so
yeah, it will hear the air.
Yeah, it will
bubbling inside.
The water will have to move through the air spaces. Okay, so since this side has come, the rest will all come. Oh, yeah, that's it. That's it. So, what I did here is that behind, assuming you want to close the water, you just close it from the air valve.
Okay.
And then this side, this one.
Let it come.
Okay. If you want to close, you close from the air valve.
Okay.
And then this side, you can dismantle this side.
Okay.
It's a thread, you can open. So when you open, assuming maybe you want to wash the tank,
okay,
you open from that end, then you wash it after, then you thread it back, that's all.
Okay.
So now let me go and fix the corn milling machine.
I'll fix it though.
You have fixed it already?
Yes, unless you use that thing. That's one to tight it well.
Okay, alright. Then you have saved me. And the way I'm in a hurry to go. My car is giving me problems, so I don't like to be staying.
Only the